Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool chrome effect in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump right into it. So here's how to get this cool effect in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, you're going to just write your text, regular text. Then you're going to double click on it and add a bevel and emboss effect with these settings. Well, you can play around with the settings, but more or less they should be something looking like this. Then add an inner shadow effect and a gradient overlay going from black to white or from white to black. Doesn't really make a difference. You can choose the size. I'm gonna go with 120 over here and press OK. And you should get something like this. Now, next step is to press Command G and put it into a group. Then go to the Adjustments tab and add a Curves adjustment. Now you want to add a point over here and one right over here. You're going to make a big S. So bring this all the way to the top and this one all the way to the bottom. And you'll get this really cool effect. Now as you can see, this is kind of too black for me. You can't really see it. So reopen your text layer, double click on it, and adjust your gradient overlay. Let's say I'm gonna do something like this. I'm gonna add some gray in there so that basically you can see more. Do something like this. All right, already so much better. Now what you want to do is go back to the adjustments panel and add a gradient map. Right now you can basically choose whichever colors you want and it'll turn out really awesome. Like, look at this. Now, as you can see, this gradient map affected our background as well, and we don't want that. So hold down the Alt or Option key, and in between two layers where you get this little arrow and square, just click. That will create a clipping mask, meaning the effect will be only applied to whatever is in this group, so our text layer and not our background layer. And that's basically it. Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.